welcome to me and Mikey. This is Lara.
And Liam, I'm going to be driving the car.
We're gonna review the Mickey and the Roadster Racer car. From a rambling rubber to a hot dogging hot rod. Choose like the cartoon.
Race hard and have fun.
This is how the Mickey Mouse looks like closer. You cannot remove Mickey from the car. You can put the arm up and down if you want to keep it like that, or if you want to keep him saying hi to you. And then this is the part I transformed, so it became two different cars, and it has the lights.
Roadster Racers.
See?
Okay, pal. Let's race hard and have fun.
That's a normal car.
And that's the normal car, and that's how it looks like from behind.
And when you press this again, it's the racing car. When you race.
Yes.
This is a normal car, but the racing car looks like this. That's
Yes.
If you press this button, it transforms into the racing car.
Okay, pal. Let's race hard.
And I don't know what this is for, maybe to shoot.
That's actually what gives powers to the race car. That's the fun part. So this is how the remote control looks like. Pretty simple, really easy. You just had the buttons to go forward or backward, and then to go right and left, and then to transform the car, and then to do the horn, right?
You can also move the head.
Yeah, you can move the head, and then you can hear different phrases. Say.
Ready, pal? This roadster race is about to get rolling. Come on, let's roll. Roadster Racers, start your engines. Okay, pal, let's race hard and have fun.
So on the normal car, it just had the horn, right? It's for ages 3 and up, but as you saw in the video, my nephew was having fun with it. Of course, you need help from their parents, but it's fun. You know, it's a different way you can interact with the car, and then the sounds and light, I think it makes it fun for the kids. Okay, guys, we want to say thank you to Jetta Toys for sending us this, and then don't forget you can get this at Walmart, Target, and Toys R Us. And it's $39.99. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more toys reviews like this. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.